Welcome back. Today's lesson is percent problems. The first one, we're gonna gain a skill that is called find a percent. This question is what percent of 25 is 17? Let's do a direct translation. What percent? We don't know. We can put a box here. We can put X here. Your choice, all right? So I'm gonna use X of 25 is equals 17 is 17. You can continue use this box, find out what is missing, what number can I put here, or you can continue use X times 25 is 17. I'm gonna put down here X times 25 is 17. How do I find X? Divide. Division property of equality. So X is 17 divided by 25. And pause this video, see if you can calculate this all by yourself. And I did already, and I have 0.68, and I'm going to convert it into percent. From decimal to percent, move it 2 times to your right side. 1, 2, you got a 68. 68, add the percent symbol, 68%. Now we want to talk about the percent really quick. So if you read this decimal, most of the time we read at 0.68, but to read it properly, it's 68 hundreds. Let's write down the word, 68 hundreds. And we needed to know that the percent is actually saying 1 over 100. So that is why when we convert this decimal into percent, we're gonna move it to the right 2 times and become 68 over 100. This is said 68 over 100. You see percent symbol, 1 over 100. All right, this is our question 1. Let's look at question 2. It's exactly the same type of question. What percent? You can use your favorite variable, okay? Excuse me, my ink. All right. Now, we're going to use your favorite variable. What is your letter for the day? Earlier we used X. Let's say we use Y. Like Y doesn't work. Percent of 20 is 20. Is equals 15 is 15. All right, how do we find Y? Divide by 20 each side. 15 divided by 20. And I'm going to put down here, I have 75 hundredths. And changing to percent, 75%. All right, that's how we do find a percent. Next skill is find part of the base. Remember, this base is not what we discussed earlier. Here is a base, here's exponent. Okay, that's not what we're saying. This base is, you have a number, this number we call a base. It's like the whole part. Okay, all right, whole part. And we're going to talk about part of this number. That's what we say base here. Now, what number is 15% of 88? If you don't know this number, you just give it a variable. What number? We used X, Y, let's use Z. Is 15%, write down 15% of multiplication, 88. Oh, that's a simple fix. All we need to do is to use 1500 0.15, okay, 1500th, multiply 88. And we have 13 and 2/10. That is a missing number, Z. All right, let's look at our next question. While I'm erasing this, go ahead and read the next question. What number is 140% of 50? What? I'm going to call it W. What is 140%? I'm going to directly convert back to decimal of 50. Okay? Alright. Do you have a W is 70? Yes, yes? Alright. That's how we do find part of the base. Our last skill today is called find a base. 20 is 12.5% of what number? Direct translation, 20 is equals 12.5% of multiplication. What number? You can put a box here, you can put a question mark here, and we're working in Algebra 1. We're going to take a variable. Oh, we used it already, but that's okay. We use it again. All right. We're going to find this missing number Z by doing what? We're going to divide by 12.5% each side. And at this stage, you can say, okay, if I divide by this number, I'm actually dividing by, right? Okay, convert the percent into decimal. Okay, go ahead and calculate, and let's see what we have. I have, the missing number is 160. All right, we're gonna erase this and make the board clean for us. We have the last question, one last question to do. How to find the base? 189, write down 189 is 90%. Go ahead and change into decimal if you want. Of what number? I'm going to use W. Okay, what number? All right, remember how to find this? We're going to divide by 0.9 each side. We can find the missing number W. I have W is 210. That is how we do find a base. Today, you reviewed 3 skills. Find a percent, find part of the base, and find a base. Happy learning!